Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to withdraw money from Wise bank account. So let's get started. For that, we need to get into Wise account first and make sure you are logged into it. Now click on recipients over here and click on add a recipient. Over here you can choose any currency and click on enter bank detail. Here click on myself and enter your information, that is your bank details, account type, account number, routing number, and click on confirm. After that, we need to enter the amount and the details of how much we would like to transfer, and your process will be completed. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.